monsters at an old abandoned dungeon. In the last episode, you might have noticed that I have Minecraft right here. That was kind of just my own thing. I don't actually own Minecraft because I don't work for Microsoft. But yeah. So I figured out what we did wrong in the last episode. Because before, you might have saw me being confused because I was trying to get the duck to work. Like, hold on. I was trying to get the constructor to work. Because we got this right here. The sizes, I think it's just a little easier. But I know what I did wrong. We forgot to do this. Hold on. I'm still thinking. Sorry if the audio quality is absolutely garbage because the microphone is trashy. So it doesn't work very good. So sorry about that inconvenience. Right. I just prefer coding in Java. It's just kind of my own thing, you know. If you read the description of my previous video of this, you would notice that I did not I can't remember what I'm talking about. Well, anyway, we have this, which is the title. J-frame equals new J-frame duck test. Let's test it out. Yeah, it works. Oh, and I finally got the logo for Nari Studios. That is supposed to be Narwhal, by the way. It still says Mojang, but that's from when I'm playing around with Minecraft. It should say Nari. I don't know why. But anyway, here's our Narwhal. Nari Studios, written in Minecraft font. Actually, this color came from the Mojang specifications color. Just kind of copied it. You can tell because it still says Mojang up there. Mojang.png. Well, anyway, let's get to work. So, it takes place around 2000-ish. At the end, you earn I don't even know what that number is. I want to say million, but it could be billion, I don't know. And of course, made by none other but me, Nari Studios. Oh yeah, this is from my other project. So yeah, I finally got it to work, which is good. Duck test. Now you can say whatever you want. You could say duck. It's really neat about Java and really any other programming language. You can do literally anything you want. same exact thing, literally nothing different. Okay, now what we gotta do is thread.start. I keep spelling thread wrong. So yeah, I am not very smart in reality, but basically anyone can make games programming. All it takes is just a little tutorial. This necessarily isn't a tutorial. You can do it, you can follow along if you want to make the same game, but it's not really one. I am not as good as just typical Java developers, but it works. And that's all that matters. I don't know why that says component. Okay. I know what I'm making, it's just I'm not sure it's going to turn out the way I want it to turn out. Like, I'm imagining like a very good looking game, and then it just turns out to be trash and not very good. But you know, it is what it is, and there's nothing I can do about it. Let's make some pixels show up here. Before we do that, we need to make it implement runnable. Steal some of the from my other game that I followed along on the tutorial. I'm going to have to use some of that because I'm not very good at making game loops. So yeah, that's really the cool thing about making games, is you can just make anything you want. That's what I really like about it. It's just really nice. I like it. Now for some reason my debug doesn't ever work. Like, it starts, but it always crashes. And you might be wondering, well, obviously, because there must be an error in there or something. But in reality, when I just started up with run, it starts up perfectly fine. No errors, nowhere. See, even in console, no errors. So my debug just doesn't work. I wish there was a way to fix it. Maybe you guys could help me if you like know Eclipse. And this is kind of like a live video, but it's like a music while I do this, but copyright. And plus, I have open speakers and I don't want anyone to hear my music. Not like you're bad or anything, it's just I just like my privacy. I figure a lot of you guys do too. No. Caps. So yeah, I basically always kind of wanted to make games when I was little, and like I remember talking to my grandparents, I was like, I want to make this video game about a show I really liked, and they told me due to copyright, I didn't know copyright was a thing. I thought you could just make and sell anything ever, and turned out to be wrong. What should I officially call this game? It's just duck. Every time I unpause my video, it pulls up type hit tree or whatever. Yeah, you can call it whatever. Horse, butt, duck. And now that should be the title of our frame. Why did it do that? I've never seen that happen before. Yeah, horse, but a duck. I know my friends are watching this, which is I don't know why it shows that up. Like, it never did that to me, like, ever, except for when I was editing Minecraft code. So, tick. First, you need to make a buffer strategy. No, that does not mean what you think it means. I think you know what BS means, but that's not what it means in this term. It means buffer strategy, not what you're thinking. I felt like I typed that in completely wrong. Yeah, I did. If buffer strategy equals null, null basically means nothing. For your information, just some developer use. Null means nothing. Oh, right. Create buffer strategy. 3. I'm still unsure why it needs to be 3. Maybe you professional Java developers out there could tell me what that means. And what does frame.pack mean? Because I don't know what it means. I just type it in because I think I know what it means. I think it means if you were to put it in full screen, it'll match the frame up with it, like the content in the frame, and it will look good. I don't know. Like it would like, I don't know. And now I'm pretty sure all we need to do now is just graphics G import graphics G equals buffer strategy dot get draw graphics. And g.draw image, which we actually do not have yet, but we will. And buffer strategy.show. Oh yeah, and g.dispose, which basically means like disposing like a garbage. Okay, I don't care. Private int public void run. What's wrong with that? Oh, I bet it's just because I did type this in all the way. Oh, I need image already. With height buffer image dot type. I feel like that's how it went, but I'm not sure. So I'm gonna have to check up on this code that I followed from the tutorial. Oh, you have to put private in front of it. Equals new buffered im. Yeah, okay. That's why it's giving me an error in the front. I can't spell private right. Private buffered image, Control Shift O, which means import it. Ugh. Buffered image dot type. Oh, buffered, not buffer. There we go. Type and RGB. Private buffered image equals new buffered image. There we go. No, I hate it when it does that. Okay. Okay, now we can do this. Get raster. Dot get data buffer. Dot get data. Now all we need to do is just import it, I think. Yeah, there we go. I don't know why it does that. Okay, now all we gotta do is image width. No, I think it goes 0, 0 width height. I think it does. Trying to find it. Can't find it anywhere. Yeah, image 0, 0 get width get height null. Should work. Oh, wait. How did I label it? Okay. And it should be working. No, that didn't work. I'm gonna have to copy and paste it. I mean, it doesn't really count because I already wrote the code. It's just that it kind of needs copied and pasted, and just replace the image with my version of image. I don't really know what I did wrong there. At least it works. Okay, we should start drawing some pixels. Actually, let's see if it works. It should. Yeah, it works. You ready for a pixel show? I personally find it really cool. Private boolean tick count plus plus. It's int then. Yeah, there we go. Someone tell me why every time I save it like this, it always shows up this. Like, I did nothing wrong, I don't think. So I don't know why it does that. Okay. It's actually really fun. I love coding. Except for the part whenever I get frustrated because it just doesn't do what I want it to do. It just creates more errors. Oh boy. Time for a really challenging part to remember. What do you mean? Int I maybe? No. I equals 0, which means index, by the way. No, I don't know. I did warn you guys that this would be pretty challenging. I equals 0. And all I know is it says I++ at the end, and can't remember. I don't have it in the Java 2D game, which, by the way, this will be a 2D game too. Oh yeah. Pixels.length I++. Hey, I actually did it. No. There we go. And I. Anyway. Okay, that's what I did wrong. Wow, I'm actually doing really good for me. I can never remember this part, but I did this time. Kind of proud. What comes next? And I'm very, very quiet, and you probably think the video ended, but it's just me thinking. Oh yeah, it has this in it. But that's basically all I remember. I knew this part right here would be way more challenging. I'm gonna have to. So I found out what I did wrong. It actually needs to be down here, because I looked it up. I think it needs to be down. No, maybe it doesn't. Maybe it's in here. Yeah, there we go. Pixels I equals I. What did I do wrong? Okay, I got it to work. This is what you do, and you guys ready? Here we go. It's not working. Why isn't it working? It should be. Well, I said it's working, but I really didn't test it. Maybe it really does need to be down here? Like right there? No. No? Still no? Maybe I need to flip that around? Maybe? I don't think that's how it works, but it could be. I'm pretty sure it's like that. Maybe if we do my original plan to do it inside tick. Also known as update. Huh. Hey, I'm back. It's been taken a long time. As you can see, the time changed like a lot. I've been sitting here for like 30 whole minutes figuring out what's wrong with it. And it turns out this, no, not that, this had to be all the way from tick to there. And all I had to type in was duck.start. That was it. But now I actually tested it and it 100% works. So you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Save. Check it out. It programmed all that. It's kind of just probably confuses you. Yeah. Pretty neat. Oh, my eyes feel weird now. But yeah, we could basically do literally anything. Now that I got that to work, all I had to type in was duck.start. That was just mainly a test to see if the screen's like working right. Oh, and I moved some things around just to make it feel better. Make me feel a little better about it. Well, that's not it. You still got much more to go. So why don't we create another class? Yeah, I guess we can create a sprite sheet class. Keep things organized. I like to put packages in. I don't really know how to import an image in, so I'm gonna have to research that online. But you know, that's all part of learning, is researching, so that's what I'm gonna do. So let's find out how to do that real quick. I'm gonna pause it. Okay, so basically you just kind of copied and pasted it. Well, not yet, but where do I put it at? I would say start. Meal test a little bit. Of course, we gotta import it. New file. Not quite what we're gonna do. Or actually, oh, I know what to do. And in fact, we are actually gonna put it up here. Maybe. We're gonna import this. Nari Studios. The best games developing studio ever to exist. I was thinking about putting copyright on there until I realized I don't actually, like, own anything about it, so I can't really do that. Okay, I think I figured it out. we need to create a resource file first. A folder. Call it Reese. Inside of there, I'm actually going to go through here. I'm going to add class folder, Reese. Apply and close, and there we go. And now let me just import this. Oh, that's just useless stuff. It's in desktop. Nari.png. Open, and there we go. Surround with try catch. I'm not sure if this is actually in the correct spot or not. Input equal null. Huh. Perhaps if I put a slash in front of that, I think that might actually work. No? Oh, I know why. Whoa. Trying to add Nari logo. And now what I've got to do is take this and add it up here. Where? I guess right here. Right there we do. No? That kind of worked. Public static image io.read. I've never actually done this before. Okay, so I kind of got it to work. I mean, there's a ton of errors. So let's see where the main oh, never mind. Here we go. Get resource as stream. Nari .png. Input stream. There we go. Wait. Oh yeah. There we go. Oh, there's another error. Probably because we don't really need to try anymore. And try catch. And now it should work. Not really. Perhaps if we go to frame the add. No. I've been here for like an hour and we're not even done with the main class yet. Input stream Nari logo. Nari logo can't be resolved through type. I think I'm missing something. Okay, so it might seem like it was a long time ago because it's already 6:26 p.m. in my time, and last time you saw was probably like 4 or something. No, I was not sitting here for like 2 to 3 hours figuring this out. I wasn't. I'm still trying to figure this out. I took like 1 to 2 hour break. So pretty much the whole time. Actually, maybe like 30 minutes of me trying to figure this out. Because it's supposed to be like this. Okay, so let me show you right here. The Nari Studios. Narwhal, as you already know. We got the thing on the narwhal. Happy face. And the color changing narwhal. The hex is right here. RGB is what we need. So, R, G, I know that one's right, 99B. Okay. Then why isn't it working? It should be working. 0x, perhaps the hex will work. No, I mean, I could tell it's trying to do something, but well, anyway, let's just work on the sprite sheet. So I already kind of got one working. It's in desktop. Already kind of got one working here. So where is it? Yeah, right here. Sprite sheet and sprite sheet tile. But I don't want to use that. This is one I followed from a tutorial, and I want to use my own. So I'm going to use my own. And to do that, we're going to have to go back to paint.net. New 8x8. We're going to make a tile. Tiles are actually pretty easy to make. And now what we got to do is just choose our color. I would say this one. No, actually, we're going to go with this one as the outside color. So we just drag it all the way over there, here. Now this one as the inside color. Maybe it should be swapped? Let me check out the Minecraft files. Minecraft Alpha, Minecraft. You're probably wondering how I managed to do this. I might show it in a different tutorial. Okay, all we really need is just this. For example. Just as long as it has those tiles. So we're going to use the same coloring as Minecraft. And actually there's a pretty big storm coming where I live, and it's kind of dark, so it's spooky. Okay. We're going to highlight all this, copy it. I'm pretty sure that's more than 8x8. Yeah, it's definitely more than 8x8. Actually, how big is this canvas? I would say it's 16. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it's 16 by 16. That's perfectly fine. Okay. Now we're going to save this. Not to there, but rather to our project resources. Which in my directory I have like different versions of Eclipse. I thought it was in 2024. Pretty sure it is. I don't know why it's not. Okay, weird. Well, let's just drag and drop it by doing none other but the classic, you know, desktop. Probably the easiest one to do. Okay, I'm going to pause it and drag it in. Okay, I dragged and dropped it in. I renamed it to tile. Oh, wait. I did it wrong. I'm supposed to use the tile to make a sprite sheet. Once again, how big is the Minecraft one? Let's find out by going to desktop. Minecraft. Art. And this one is 256 by 256. So we create a new one. 256 by 256. Whoa, not 6,256. That's way too massive. Yeah, 23 inches, no. Okay, perfectly in the corner. And basically all you gotta do is just drag and drop it. Not really drag and drop, but like copy and paste it. But typically when you get around 4, you would highlight it again. And that's the good thing about Java and really any other programming language, is the fact that you can just use really any color you want. When I turn the grid on, I could see like weird spots filling the squares. It's kind of cool. Don't know the science behind that because I'm not a genius. Where did it go? Whoa. Control C. Control V. Okay, we did it. Control Z. V. And now just pretty much one more. Perfectly fits. And now we just need to go back to rectangular select. I like saying rectangular, it's fun. But you know what's more fun? Making games. Reason I find it so fun is if you're just watching this just because, and you have like a computer capable of Java, which most computers are, you should definitely get into programming in Java. It's actually really fun. Because basically it's like your creation turned into like some really nice game. Maybe you'll be like the creator of Minecraft and get famous because of it. It's actually getting really dark outside and it's only 6. And it doesn't really get dark until 8 around here. Which is kind of weird. It's mainly because there's a big storm and I haven't had like a storm in like since I lived here, which is a month. Alright, perfect. Sprite. Sheet. Okay, I'm back. Actually, I'm gonna check up on the clouds. It's actually like really scarily dark out there. And you probably don't know me, but I'm actually like kind of scared of storms. Whoops. And I just heard thunder. Spooky. Well, anyway. I'm not gonna like completely copy it. So I'm just gonna write down what it says. Kind of to make this more fair. Public string path. Public int width. And public int height. Public int pixels. And we don't have to we don't have to type all of this back in because it's public. Wait, no, it's private. Never mind. But we don't have to type it back in. I mean, I don't know the science behind that. Sprite sheet. I spelled sprite sheet wrong. Sprite sheet. And yes, we will get the colors for this. Don't you worry. String path. I think we might have to make another class for the image. You'll know what I mean here in a while. Buffered image equals null. It is getting really windy out there. I'm actually like scared of a tornado. If you don't know me, but I am actually like terrified of tornadoes. But yet I love them. It's weird. Buffered image. That's what I messed up on. I'm too scared of the storm. I am forgetting to type in what I need to type in. Buffered image.io read. We could just copy and paste this. I'm kind of like stealing the code. You need to put try catch. I don't like that comment that they automatically add in. And if there's an error, we want it to say never mind, we won't put an error. I don't know why that was there. If image equal null, return. So if image equal null, then we want it to return. This we could just copy and paste. In fact, all the rest of it we're just gonna copy and paste. We want to get this game done pretty quick, and it's not like it's for like a competition or anything. So basically, I could cheat all I want, but it still kind of counts because I typed it in. Like you see, I coded this before, so like I typed it all in before. So what's our path, and where's our path? It ain't printing anything. Okay. Why isn't this working? Path. Spreadsheet class. Return. Think I might know. Yeah, here's the old sprite sheet. Oh, I know why it's not saying anything. Because we still need to add in colors. Let's go with all white. Maybe. No. Why isn't it letting me paint over it? Hello? Does it let me paint on this one? Yeah, it lets me paint on that one. I don't know why it's not letting me paint on this one. Well, anyway, let's just kind of focus on making our title screen. Not our title screen, but our launch loading screen. No. Dot duck. Package. Dot loading. Now we're going to create a new class called loading. What do you want to put in the loading? Graphics 2D perhaps. G2D equals graphics 2D. Typically, I don't use graphics 2D. Okay, so equals new. This is why I don't do graphics 2D. I've never searched any of these except for that and that. But I've never searched grass stock. That's weird. Or any of these. I don't mess with Grammarly. Graphics 2D Java. They just tell me how to type it in. Let's see. Let's just make it easier and just use regular graphics. G graphics. Control Shift O. It still ain't working. Well, weird. Because I put in graphics on here. But where? Oh, right here. Graphics G equals I've not messed with graphics 2D in a long time. And I mean a long time. I'm gonna have to watch a video. Okay, I figured it out. Public void paint. I spelled public wrong. Public void paint. Graphics 2D equals graphics G. Graphics 2D G. Right. We need to do this. No, graphics G. Not graphic. Graphics. Okay. G2D. G2D draw. No, not draw image. Get background. Color. We need to change it to set background. Set background. Ugh, my shift key's terrible. New color. Why aren't you working? Why aren't you working? Oh, I have it right here. Not G2DG. Okay. Oh, and this needs to extend panel. Extends J panel. We're only using this temporarily, so it's not like gonna be the actual panel. Well, I mean, it's gonna be permanently used as a panel, but it's just gonna be there for a few seconds. Okay. So now what we need to do is go inside of here, past that. Load equals new loading. I forgot the A in both of them. Body is basically going to type down. Loading load equals new loading. Okay. And now all we need to do is frame.add load. No. Perhaps remove it over here. Component loading? No. It's just loading. You know what? I know what we need to do. Maybe if we do that, and then we go all the way up here. And then do that, Loading. Load. That doesn't seem to fix the problem. And first of all, that needs to be back to load. Static. No, it did not work. Huh. Maybe if we just revert it back to that. Loading. Load. Load. Oh. Get rid of that. We don't need that. Load dot. Huh. That didn't fix any errors at all. How am I going to get this to the main class? That set background. Color. That's right, because I did not put it into the main class yet. I don't think that's right. That actually needs to be 16. Let's see. 2,000-ish earn a million gold. Okay. We're starting to get some main classes going now. Wait, that's the wrong one. Maybe we don't even need that. That ain't gonna do anything. Maybe if we try getting that back, the image back, image equals. Sorry for the inconvenience. I was just checking out the rain. It's raining really hard all of a sudden. Duck. Actually, let's not worry about that yet. Let's get rid of that. forget all that. Forget that even happened. Not gonna worry about that yet. Because we're trying to use this, like right here. Public and width height. And all that. Public loading. Buffered image equals null. Screen path. I just did not type that in there at all. I was staring at my keyboard, not the screen. String path. Image. And now for final piece. This one right here. Image.loading. Not loading. Loading. And now we just need to surround with try catch. I don't know how that import keeps getting in here. And the path doesn't. Oh, that's right. Actually, I need all of that. Okay, so that's dead code. That's the path. This.path equals /Reese /Nari. Is it still dead code? Yeah, it's still dead code. Okay, let's see if it works. Oh wait, it won't work because I did not implement this yet. So now we gotta go in here. Load equals new loading. Path. No, it should be a path already. You know what? No, name. No. I apologize. You guys can't notice, but it's been like a minute and I keep hearing what sounds like hail, but it's just rain going down my gutters. I'm not used to living in this new house yet. How does this have it? Oh! I think I know why it's not wanting to load anything. Maybe that would work. Oh yeah, right. Name. Name equals null. Let me find that real quick. Oh, I lost track of it. Oh, right here. Loading node equals new loading. I keep on wanting to say it's path, but it doesn't allow that. So how did I import this? Okay, I figured it out. I didn't know what it meant by name until now. So we need to go to /Reese /nari.png. I hope it knows what I mean by Reese. There's actually 2 of them in here. Okay. I might actually have to get rid of that. Yes, I know. Path. String path. How long was my video going for? An hour so far. That's pretty cool. And like a 20-minute long video, this one's gonna be like an hour. Mostly just me trying to figure out what to do, because I don't know what I'm doing. Dead code. Because image is null. That's why. Copy qualified name. Random game I made up. Why is it giving me an error? Insert missing quotes. What? Oh. Because image is null. Oh, that's why. Oh. Unreachable code, huh? That's very strange. What if I add that in? It's still unreachable. I've never seen that before. I don't know how it's not reachable. Oh, that's why. There we go. So I tried a lot of things, but I still can't figure it out. That's weird. Because if I try running it now, what does it mean? And my desktop. Yeah, sprite sheet right there. If that's what you mean. If image equals no, return. Yeah, that's all fine. You know, I had a problem with this when I was doing this game. It's weird. I had that same exact problem. Okay. I was just making sure. Did I set it this? No, it's public. Oh, I don't need that right there. I think I might know the problem. No. Private sprite sheet. Sprite sheet equals new sprite sheet now. Sprite sheet can't be resolved. That's because I need to import it. Okay. I spelled sprite sheet wrong. Oh well. Spirey sheet. I don't know where this problem is coming from, because I would launch an older version of Eclipse, no problem. But in the newer version, it's weird because it gives me the same problem. I don't know how. It just does. I don't need thermal. Debug doesn't work either. Run works, but right now we're in a big error that I have no clue how to solve. I'm wondering why is it doing that? I mean, I think I know how to solve it, but I don't. Weird. Well, I don't know. I just don't know. Don't judge me, please, because I am not good at Java at all. In fact, I am rather absolutely garbage at this. I wonder if I were to launch Java 2D game. Huh. That is weird. Why does it do that? Because I kind of need this. It's the only way I can really get the game to, like, you know, work. Maybe it has something to do with this. Weird. I do not know how to solve this. Maybe it has something to do with the fact that buffered image equals null. No. I don't know how to fix this. Wait. No. I don't think that'll work. Cause yeah, it won't work. I'm not entirely sure how to fix this. I don't have a clue. I literally had no idea how to fix this. Yeah, I know about that. Well, just to prevent me from copying any more code, I'm just gonna get rid of that because it's not like it's gonna work anyway. Oh, right. No. Configurations, Java application, duck, apply, run. Input equals null. So I'll have to just temporarily. Nah. We won't do that. URL. I'm gonna have to watch a video. Okay. So. We're gonna create a screen class. Unfortunately, I still can't figure out how to get an image to show up. Please, if you're even this far in the video, tell me in the comments how to do it, because I do not know. But at least I got this thing right here to work. So now, all we need to do we're going to create a render. So we got the render here, and hold on. It's not going to take as long as last time. I took a break again. So what we're actually going to do is make a public screen class, or this thing. It's getting late, so I'm getting kind of tired, so if you notice that I might sound a little drowsy, that's why. Public screen. It's gonna have colors, so see, no, yeah. Four colors. Whoa, what did it do? C4. Maybe I don't have to put it there. So C1 equals or actually should we set it up like the two main colors on this first? As you can see, I kind of played around with it a little bit. Once again, I am very, very slow. I am not very good at programming, especially when it comes to rushing. But I feel more comfortable when I talk while doing it, because before I would sound like a crazy person talking. But now I actually feel kind of good about it, so yeah. So first of all, let's find out what colors these are. By going to color picker, Okay. So we're gonna go from 0, 0, 0, 0. One more maybe? 4, 5, 6. Okay, yeah, there we go. I didn't even notice it happened. So we're gonna go with... Oh, I forgot it doesn't let me draw on this one. Why doesn't it do that? Like, it just doesn't let me draw on it. Doesn't let me draw on this side? Oh. That is very, very weird. Maybe if I deselect all? That, there we go. No. I'm actually gonna have to use this a lot because I'm not good at math at all. Especially if you're one of my friends watching, you know I am terrible at math. And I hate math, but it's part of making games, so we're gonna deal with it. What do I do? Not in, int. C1 equals. So let's see, the darkest color divided by... No, hold on. Okay, I'm back. I had to watch a tutorial. I forgot to mention that it's perfectly fine for me to watch a tutorial since I said I'm really terrible at Java. So... Hold on. Sorry about that. I just got an idea. And it's the fact that this shouldn't equal null because this needs to be initialized. So let's do that real quick. Now I'm not really sure how to really type code in initialize, the initialize method. So I'm gonna have to watch a YouTube tutorial on that. But for now, we have this. This is where we type in, or, you know. Ooh, it came back. Use our handy dandy color picker here. Pick out a pink color. Okay. Okay. So we need to, we need to actually add in 4 of these due to the tutorial I watched. Okay. Oh no. I'm lost again. Well, anyway, here's the tutorial I'm watching. Just so you know. That's where I got my 2D game from. And you can tell I kind of just copied the code. No. I know we have to do all white like that. But what goes in between these two colors? You get white. Actually, it is this color. And then this color goes right there. Look at that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you all in the next video, which will be tomorrow. I'm going to be working on it a little bit more if you even stayed this long to hear this. So, see y'all later. Bye. Whoops, I pressed the wrong button. My bad. Bye.